Hello everyone, good morning. Such a beautiful day. Um, Another day to trade, and today is 8th of April 2026. From wherever in the world you're listening to me, good morning. Um, Obviously, market is trying to look for a retrace because there was a huge spike in the night, as you can see. The price went up like crazy, which is just not normal for the price to do this one. So we went up by about 600, 700 points. Um, and I think some rebalancing needs to be done now. Whether the market will do the rebalancing straight away or would they do it like after some time, only the time would tell. But I'm just waiting to see if there is any clear cut opportunity that I can take, I would take in front of you guys. So for now, the thing that bothers me is that this high above here, this is a daily high, and there are a couple of daily highs clustered together above here as well around um, 25 to 50, and that is not very far away. So ideally, if I'm looking for retrace, I would like to sell, but the thing is, um, I'm more concerned about these highs. Maybe the price will come back one to those highs, and either after taking those highs, it will go down. Um, this is in my mind right now, so maybe the price will shoot up from here and go up to this high or the other one. Let's see what happens. So seeing this gap here right now, I'm just looking at this gap because I think that the price will tap into it, and the real question is will it go higher and take this daily high as well? Mm, if it does, then probably I will look for evident signs of reversal before taking a short. Other than that, I will just wait. It seems like that is going up. Really nothing yet. The price can go both ways. Therefore, just wait. Okay, I've just tried to I'm just trying this small scalp towards the downside right now. I don't have a lot of confidence for it at the minute, but it seems like it's a good idea, because this because the market is literally offered nothing at the minute. So I'm just trying to take advantage of this gap basically. It seems like the price went up there and then just came back down. At least it seems that way. Um, it's a very small stop loss, so if it takes me out, it takes me out. Yeah. Other than that, I'll still like the price either to go up, clear this high, or show me more movement, more intent of going towards downside. I think just keep gyrating in this gap until unless one side is taken off. So what I want is the price to come down below these little lows that I've created earlier and just close below that. And if it does so, then I would be pretty sure that it's going down. Other than that, there is still nothing. I'm a bit early as always to take my position out. One of my things that I have to control and work on. For now, it's just because I know if I come out of this position and go again, I'll regret that I wasn't early enough. So for now, I'm gonna keep keep it this way. So the time right now is 2:42. uh, London time. We have still 18 minutes more till the pre-London Open and or to London Open. I don't know how to phrase it, but I'm waiting for 3 o'clock. I think at 3 o'clock there will be significant movement. Yeah, that's gone. As I told you, I was a bit early in this position and I've paid the price. So what I'm gonna do is wait now patiently at 3 o'clock and see what 3 o'clock offers. If it goes down now, it's a shame because it just came up, took my stop, and just went down. Hopefully, it does not do that. It will keep going up and clear this high first and before doing anything else. So, this is what I'm hoping for right now, that the price will go up first, take this high, and then go down. Um, the reason I'm very keen about the price going down, sorry, the price taking this high over the other highs is because although there has been a big push in the night, as you can see, but the price has not met any opposing liquidity. Um, so this was one high there that was completely annihilated by the price, so it doesn't count because what we want to see is price going up, taking something, taking some liquidity, and then showing the sign of reversal. Um, and that is when we are sure that we can trade correction basically. So this is what I'm waiting for right now. Uh, Obviously, the more we stay in this gap, the more buying pressure will build up and it eventually go up. This is what I'm expecting now because usually the gaps that make the price to go the other way are the gaps in which the price just taps once or twice or spend as little time as possible. As you can see this in this gap, the price has spent a lot of time. So I would say um, there is more probability of this gap being disrespected completely, price going up and taking up these highs, rather than the price reversing from here and going towards downside. Here it is. There's a teeny tiny volume imbalance between the candles there as well. I completely expect the price to go up there and take these highs. Sorry, take this gap or at least tap into it before doing anything else. On the other way, ES has also com almost completely tapped into this small gap, but not yet. Let's see what happens. We're getting close to 3 o'clock uh, Eastern Standard Time. Um, that is close to pre-London Open. What I expect the price to do is go up one more time, uh, clear these highs, or I would prefer this high to be taken as well, and then show us gaps in between. which is classic ICT, um, 2022 model, which can be a could be a play here, but I I, I usually don't take my entries based of that. I usually take my uh, entries based on momentum and volume. So seems like the price at the minute neither has the momentum nor volume. Um, the price came up here, it was pushed down. There was a very big order there that pushed the price down, and the price came up here again, and somebody is trying to push it down again, but buyers are coming in, building up very slowly, I would say. It's a tug of war right now. Just want to wait. I won't lie if I say that the momentum towards downside is building, which is good for shorts, but I'm still not convinced that this is the gap that sends the price down. That is the only problem that I have um, right now. It would be very nice if the price goes up and takes these highs at this high before going down, but it could do it without it as well. So let's see. 5 more minutes to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm not going to take any risk right now. Hopefully, I just want to stay where I am without doing anything. All right, be ready now. It's like less than a minute, just 15-20 seconds. I'm pretty sure the market is going to show its hand, and hopefully I'll be able to react properly accordingly. Okay, the plan for now is to target these lows right there, right there. Um, I've just placed my stop a bit lower. I'll just make it a bit higher there. So this is what I think is going to happen. And this is a necessary, I would say, the retracement that I was talking about, a bit correction. So I'm gonna play this. Hopefully it'll go to my TP, and I'm done for the day. If it does not, then probably I need to figure out if there is if the market has a potential to offer me another opportunity in the London session. Um, Other than that, I'm just patient and watching the price right now. All right, the most difficult stage, one of the most difficult is when you are in a trade and you're in profit and you're itching to close it because it's in green, but you know if you do that, you're not following the plan. So I'm gonna I'm going to do my best to find that edge, to fight that edge and keep holding till the trade goes towards the target. Hopefully it does, but if it does not, and if it offers me some alternative movement like towards the upside, I'll have to be convinced that it is not going up before hitting my target that is down that right there. So I'll just wait the position. Hopefully it'll go down soon. But whenever I'm trading, I'm always looking for the reasons to get out of it. And similarly, the case is here. I'm looking for the reason to get out of this trade. There is one teeny tiny low here, which I can see that it can go and hit. Let me check ES real quick. Yeah, ES is showing the signs of it does not need any more kind of going down. But for now, I'm gonna leave that as it is. Into the gap which I expected and suspected, but the question is, will this gap hold? Going back up, do not like this at all. if you ask me, I'm okay till the price comes to the midpoint of this gap. If it starts to go towards the upper half of the gap, then I would be like a bit skeptical that the price may, close up on this gas gap and start to move towards the upside, towards the target that I delineated earlier, that is this high, and after taking these London highs that made earlier. But I would just like, I'll still hope, which is not a good thing to do by anyway by the fear trader, but still hope that there is one more push down towards these lows. Once again, this gap is something that I'm looking at the minute. Once again, this is something that needs to stay open for me for this trade to work out. Um, I can still see the price coming back up one more time towards the midpoint, that is consequent approach of this gap. But if it starts to go towards the upper half, and a couple of times I'll probably have to prematurely, quit this trade before it hits my stop loss. Secondly, it has tried two times to come down. One was this, and now the second attempt to go towards the downside, but it's not playing out, which clearly tells me that this low is not going to be taken out, which is a pity, really, because my target is even below that and towards these lows. And what really does not help is ES. Basically, ES shows me that it has already hit the correction. Usually, when the reversal takes place from the correction, it has already hit the correction. This correction there, right there. But on NQ, it's just have a little bit more leeway towards downside. So as I said, towards the middle of the gap, that is okay, and this is what happened right now. So this is a decision time at the minute. If it goes above that, I have to be out of this position. Um, the good thing, the supporting thing in regards to this trade is that ES has not even come into this gap. So on ES, this gap is completely staying open, which is good. Uh, However, on NQ it seems like it's going up, and I can't make a decision right now. I just want to hold on to this trade so bad, but seems like it's going to go up and take this. Okay, there was. How can I just give me a minute? Okay, there was a small gap there that was created here. I don't want this. Mhm. I remember yesterday that London session was pain in the ass as well. Today it's like just 40 points, no 50 points. Um, Back and forth movement. Okay, seems like some sellers are trying to get in, but I really would like this low to be taken out. If it does, only then I think the magic happens. If it does not, then it does not. Good thing still with yes, this gap is still pretty wide open, not even touched, which is not ideal. It would be perfect if you can just tap it once and just go, like go, not just stall like what it's doing right now. Yeah, that's bad. The way it spikes towards the downside is something that I really not like at the minute. When the price spikes into area like that, it usually means that somebody here who is negating all the sellers, somebody big with big pockets, a buyer. So it did it right there, and it did it right there. So I don't like that, which is clear indication somebody is still wants it to go up. Same as on ES. Look at these three wicks towards the downside, as somebody famously said, wicks are for the damage and the bodies tell the story. So these jabs, quick jabs, are making me very uncomfortable right now. Come on, how many points are there? Like it's like 10, 20, 30, just 40 points straight. Just 40 points straight. This is what I wanted. I'm not moving, trying to get you moved to like 100 points, just 40. Just give me 40 and I'll be done for you. I'll be done with you for a day and we can come back tomorrow and try our luck again. It seems like it's not going to give me the trade straight away. A bit of consolidation being built on ES, which I would appreciate very much to be broken towards the downside. At the same time, I suspect all these highs would be stabbed in and the price would, look at that, it's still going up. Okay. So it yes did that. I'm gonna take it a bit higher like here. Here it is. And it is still going to go up. Let me see. Okay, there was another gap. Okay, after this gap, there was another small gap there. So the price basically NQ tapped into that. Look at that. Where was it? Just give me. Let me make it a bit more clearer. I know. Here it was. This gap I'm talking about. And ES eventually has gone up and tapped into that big gap, which is a good thing, I would say. Now, what I would like to see is price going down. All these buyers that are down under here, I want them to be no, not happening, not happening, guys. It's going up. It's going up for sure. I'm gonna get out of this position right now. This is a loss. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Okay, so on to the next. That was bad. Okay. So now I think it's going to go up and clear these highs. Well, this was a gap that I thought would, what, once the price filled it and went below under it, I thought this is going to go down now, but was not the case. And conversely, this gap that was created towards the upside was respected. Another one. So clear three small kind of gaps. As you can see, the same things on ES as well. So it's like the direction of market is towards the upside. Moreover, this gap which basically held last time, this time the price came up towards this gap and taken out the high that was created within this gap, which is one other indication the price is going to go up. The question really here is like towards where it would find the liquidity to go down again. This is the only question that I have in mind. Next top of hour is about 36, sorry, 34 minutes away. So it's a long time. Okay, seems like a big push towards the downside. Is it enough to hold the price and keep pushing down? Let's see. Yeah, it was. It was. Seems like somebody's pushing the price towards the downside. Let me have a look here on 5 minutes. Okay, seems to me a pretty aggressive push this. And maybe now I will go down and clear these lows that I said it would clear earlier, but it is no good, is it? Because now I'm not in trade at the minute, so it's just 30 points anyway. So hopefully it will reverse because it has still not taken the liquidity from the upside. Like this is the high that I want the price to take, literally. Yeah. Okay, so two things that are of interest of that demands my interest right now. One of these lows, couple of lows, the scoop that the price made while going towards the upside. This one, I want this to be cleared. So this is what my target was when I took the trade, and it really did not come down in there, and it is just going back up, which is went back up, sorry, which I did not like. Then it went back up and created SMT right there. Um, I don't trade SMTs. I don't trade based off SMTs only. I use them just for confirmations. So then it started to melt down, came down 30 40 pips, 30 40 points, sorry. It's still going to go down. This is a question. This is a big question. Is it still going to go down and clear these highs? Sorry, clear these lows. ES on the other way. I'm not sure yet. Just give me a minute. Wow. Just wow. It's gonna do it when I'm not in the position. That's it. Wow. I mean, I can't do anything about it right now because I thought it would stay. It won't go down, but it did. And when I thought it would go down earlier, it did not. So this was basically a fake out then, and it cleared this high. Okay, which so that was a Judah swing. If that was a Judah swing, that means that it's going to how much? At least two times. Yeah, right here, up till here, up till 25 110. If it is the Judah swing, but I am about to be very convinced it is. Okay, so it has taken out these lows. Have it taken out this one? Yeah, it has taken out this one as well. And it started to go up. Same as yes, there's been a push. Is it a push to go down or is it a push to keep going up? The question. This is the $1 million question right now. Okay. Sorry about that. What do you think? Should we take this jab if it comes down one more time? Is it worth taking? This is a gap that is holding it right now. Towards the downside. Okay, so am I going to take this trade towards the downside if it makes another low? 5 minutes away till the top of the hour, and hopefully it will be exciting. I'm still not over that trade that I took earlier. This one from there, I was at about $200 profit, I would say. Yeah, I think. And then it went back up, and only to come down again, which is okay, completely absurd. One more push towards the downside, and then I probably want the price to melt. I pushed my stop, I remember, towards this high. Yeah, here, and it didn't matter because if even if I pushed, it would have pushed it towards this high. It would have taken out this high as well. So a bit more loss there as well. So I'm not complaining that up. At the same time, ES did not take off this high, so really confusing price action. Not a clear structure, not a clear direction, just back and forth again and again, and which messed us up, which messed me up. All right, am I taking this now? Because it seems like it's going to go down. Okay, no, not happening yet. 17 more minutes till the top of the hour. Maybe some macro will kick in and okay, this is the time of action. Am I taking it or am I not? Um, you know what? I'm gonna take a jab if it comes down again towards this low. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna take another jab. Let's make it at least 1 to 2. It was good that I didn't take it straight away because this chap, this one right there, it's very strange though. Like if you look at the price, you see that these all these wicks, like quick, sudden jabs. Like look at that. Same on ES. There's clearly somebody here sitting with a very, very big order. Look at that, it's going back up again. And it's going up right after another quick wick towards the downside. So it's it's pretty obvious that somebody's is trying to buy everything, buy every seller, and trying to make sure the price goes up. The only thing I'm waiting for right now is 4 o'clock. That is Eastern Standard Time. That is in about 30 minutes from now, and maybe there will be enough volume injected into the market, um, and the sellers would come in, step in to overtake that whoever is sitting here absorbing everything, and the price will melt down towards the downside. That is the only thing that is in my mind right now, because I don't think that this whoever it is not going is going to let the market go down. 'I believe when the price moves, it is the ES that leads the way. This is what I've found, especially towards the downside. Okay, seems like he has taken out these lows, which I like. Is it another jab towards the downside, one more quick wick? Or is it this time really seller stepping in with force? 10 more minutes to go till the top of the hour. And as per some people, the macro is should already start to chip in now and plug in now and do its thingy. Mm, Still about 8 minutes to go, and I'm getting very, very, very bored right now. Trying my level best not to do any stupid mistake. Same BS as before, just up and down, back and forth. Look at this shit. Similarly, look at this shit. Everybody who longed from there, if they have not taken a profit here, is fucked. Sorry, excuse my French, but this will happen. Similarly, everybody who short, tried to short there, is still not very happy either. So just 6 more minutes. I'm gonna see what the market has, you know, up its sleeve, and after that I'll probably leave because this is going nowhere at the minute. I'm hoping that session today, the New York session today is going to be a good one. But this is something that I cannot trade. Okay, the question is, we're just 3 minutes out from the top of the hour. The question is, if it takes if it makes another low, would it keep going down this time? or would it still make another U-turn towards the upside, the thing that which it has been doing like from last 2 hours? Because from the start of the session, this is the gap which still holds. It did it drop 2 times. Other than that, everything is like so. In the broader sense, the market stayed bearish, but it's been gyrating in like 40, 50 points, and 40, 50 points on NQ is not much. Ideally, I would like the markets to move at least 100 points, at least 100, 80 to 100 points or above. That's a very good. I would say that's a healthy movement of the market in London session. But 40, 50 is literally not enough. Okay, I'm gonna take this anyway. It is what it is. I'm gonna take this anyway, and I'm gonna put my stop very close towards this high and expect the price to come down towards this low and take this. Okay, one more minute. If the price does not go up in one more minute, I've got a feeling that this might play out now. All right, let's see what happens. Five, four, three, two, one, go. Yeah, seems like a stop loss. I thought it would go down, but it seems like it's going to go up in it. Seems like not happening for me today, guys. I can push my stop loss a bit higher, but what's the point? Seems like something is about to give up. I just want to close below these lows very badly. All right, this has been enough torture for me today. For today, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll have some exciting day to trade tomorrow. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.